Hi everyone, there's my homework.
Excuse me, how do I get to the Red Cafe?
Oh, Red Cafe? Okay, let's see. Go to the corner and turn left.
Left,
Yes. Go 2 blocks and turn right.
right,
Around the corner is a train station.
take the train,
Don't take the chance. Go through the station, across the streets. Go to the bookstore. Next to the bookstore is pharmacies. Next to the pharmacies is a Red Cafe.
yes,
You got it? Okay, let's do it again. Corner,
corner,
left,
left,
2 blocks,
2 blocks,
right.
right,
Around the corner,
around the corner,
don't take the chance.
don't take the train,
Go through the station,
through station,
across the streets,
cross the street,
bookstore,
bookstore,
pharmacy,
pharmacy,
and Red Cafe.
Red Cafe. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. This is my homework. Goodbye, see you soon.